hindi ako sang-ayon sa pagtakbo ng aking pinsan for presidency. That is my opinion. That is my personal opinion. Para nila idamay yung mas nakakararami, nakakalungkot. And then, another thing is, yung pag-haras nila sa manager ko, napatahimikin ako, dahil baka kung ano pa yung sabihin ko, ano ba yung sinabi kong masama? Yun lang naman yung akong tinatanong. Wala akong sinabing masama, wala akong disrespect, wala akong pinahiyang tao. Alam ko naman kasi yun, dahil I was very careful of everything I said. Ang feeling ko, it's just too abrupt. It's just too early.
Kung hindi 2016, pwedeng 2022.
As tulad ng sabi ko kanina, kung mas marunong nga na senator, na si Sergio Menyos worked closely with my cousin. As sinabi nga niya, she would make a fine president, just not right now. Masama ba yung aking sinabi na sana wag muna sa ngayon? Because it's just too soon for me.
You know
It's
her
just too soon
better.
for me.
Why do you say it's too soon for you?
Siyempre, mas gugustuhin ko na mag-make siya ng mark niya dun sa Senate, diba?
So
As a senator.
Okay.
You know, I wish all my family members the best. I don't want someone having a hard time na biglang dahil lang doon sa isang pagkakamali, sa amin lahat makikita, mapupunlaan kaming lahat. Alam mo yung ibig ko sabihin? I want to spare my family of that. And it's not because of her capabilities na sinasabi kong binibilittle ko. That's not true. I'm not belittling Manang Grace's capabilities. It's just that she would be a more effective president come 2022 and not 2016.
Have you told her that? I mean, you know, your opposition.
You know what? That is my own opinion.
You haven't told her. You're being close to her and you campaign for her.
You know, I campaign for her, but I'm not really like on a daily basis calling her.
Like, you know, texting or something that I hope you could listen as a cousin.
She is actually older than me.
But you're not.
She's older than me. Ito ay aking sariling opinion. Ayoko nang pahabain pa. And we're all entitled to our own opinion. At kung walang nagsasalita in defense of my mom, sa family ko, I'm taking it upon myself to defend my mom as any child would do who loves their mother. Ayoko na pagmukain na yung mom ko had another affair with another man other than my dad.
Alam ba ni Ate Rose itong ginagawa niya?
You know what? I'm sure makakarating to because may Twitter, may Facebook. But you know what?
She will
Madalang
understand.
ako magsalita.
She will understand.
Madalang ako magsalita. Ngayon lang ako nagsasalita dahil binigyan niyo ako ng oportunidad. After this, you know, I don't know if I'm going to grant another interview, but the thing is, I've already said what I needed to say. Thank you for hearing.